Imagine you're a runner that is about to start a race. As the light changes from red to green, you want to start as quickly as possible. However, there will be a little lag even at your best. Here's why. After the light hits your retinas, it collects for about 20 milliseconds. Then, action potentials carry the information to the lateral geniculate nucleus, with a timer reading 50 milliseconds. Then, the signal is carried to the primary visual cortex, also known as V1, with a cumulative time reading 70 milliseconds. The signals pass on to V2, 80 milliseconds. Here, the signals split into a lower Watt path and a higher Ware path. At V4, the timer reads 90 milliseconds. Once the signal reaches the Watt path's fusiform gyrus and the Ware path's posterior hot zones, the timer reads 110 milliseconds. At this point, fascicular bundles of neurons carry the information to the prefrontal cortex, clocking in at 140 milliseconds. Premotor images are formed to predict and instruct the command to go. At 170 milliseconds, the motor cortex then implements the command by specifying the array of explicit control signals needed to drive muscles, and the timer says 200 milliseconds. As these signals reach the top of the spinal cord, we reach 230 milliseconds. And finally, your leg muscles spring into action at 250 milliseconds, or a quarter second after the light turned green. If an auditory cue were used instead, you could respond within 200 milliseconds, or 1/5 of a second.